Ask anybody from Seattle what it's like to live there, and they'll probably tell you about the rain.
Don't listen to them. It's all a lie perpetuated to keep us from moving here. I mean, look at this place. Hey everyone, it's Andrew from Ori, and you're watching another episode of Expanded, our show where we take you all over the country to show you the most beautiful Ori Expandable Apartments. And today I am in Seattle, Washington at one of my favorite projects of ours, Ovation. Why do I like it so much? I mean, just look around you. This place is amazing, it's gorgeous. This building actually has 3 different kinds of expandable apartments. 2 expandable studios, one with the pocket studio and one with the pocket closet, and 1 type of expandable 1-bedroom with the pocket office. So there are a lot of Oris in this building, and I'm really excited to show you all these units. We're also gonna walk around these incredible amenity spaces and talk about the neighborhood as well, because Seattle is just one of my favorite cities. Now, with all these apartments, we've got a lot to talk about, so let's get to it. Roll the intro.
Ovation is located on Spring Street in the heart of downtown Seattle, just east of Interstate 5. Previously, the site was home to a parking lot. Now it's home to 2 towers full of new apartments ranging from studios to 3-bedroom residences. With the very best of Seattle located just outside your doorstep and jaw-dropping amenities, Ovation is the perfect home for those looking to make a move in Seattle.
We're going to start by looking at the expandable 1-bedroom with the pocket office. This is in the West Tower, unit 1513. Talk about an amazing view. Got a closet on your right and bathroom on the left. It's a really nice bathroom, plenty of counter space, really nice finishes, feels luxe, and a very deep tub. Look at this thing. And then behind the bathroom door is your washer dryer, also a massive washer and dryer. You do a lot of laundry in that thing. All right, so let's step out into the main living room area and kitchen. So this kitchen on the right looks beautiful. I love this counter space design, and the backsplash looks really nice. Good sized sink with a sprayer and a garbage disposal, and lots of cabinet space. Can you be in love with the fridge? I think I might be in love with this fridge. And then obviously in the living room area, we have the pocket office. So the way we have this set up right here is a sofa facing the TV, and the pocket office is kind of tucked in this little nook here. So it just kind of feels like your normal entertainment center. But when you're looking for some work from home space, I come over and hit the square, and it's gonna open up and give me a really spacious home office to work in. You can't really beat the view for a home office. I mean, look at that. Seattle's such a beautiful city, I'm telling you. They're always trying to say that the weather's bad here. I don't believe them. And then right behind the living room is the bedroom. And this room design is really cool because you have this corner window here. In the bedroom, you have a walk-in closet as well. Pretty spacious. All right, so there you have it. This is your expandable 1-bedroom at Ovation with the pocket office. Now, as much as I'd love to sit here and watch a movie or something, we've got 2 other apartments to see, plus the amenity spaces here, which you do not want to miss. Keep watching to see more. Before we continue, let me remind you that some of these units are available to lease right now, so make sure you check out the link in the description of this video for more information, or go to rent.oriliving.com to see all our available units all over the US. All right, next up we have one of the expandable studios, number 621 in the West Tower. This one has the pocket studio. Nice entryway. Bathroom's like right in front of you when you walk in. And this is a really big bathroom. I think this one might be bigger than the last one we saw. Washer, dryer, And you've got some storage in the bathroom. That's really nice. Now, you may have heard me rant about this in one of our other episodes, but I love when furniture doesn't go all the way to the ground, because then you can just dust and mop under it really easy. And this cabinet has a little bit of clearance underneath it, so you can very easily clean in there. It's very important. Double sliding door closet on the right, and then your main living area with the pocket studio, which right now is set up with the bed out, kind of in bedroom mode. Feels very cozy in here. But let's go ahead and close the bed. We're gonna put it in entertainment mode so we can maximize the floor space in this room. I mean, this is a pretty spacious studio. Like, there's plenty of room to have friends over in here. That's the biggest complaint people have with studios. There's no separation of space and a lack of privacy, especially if you're living with someone else, but even if you're by yourself. So what the Pocket Studio does is when the bed is out, it separates that space so you're not looking into your kitchen, you're not looking into your living room, the laundry on the couch. It feels like a bedroom in there. And then when it closes, your bed's away, you're not gonna get the smell of your dinner on the sheets. If you have friends over, they don't have to like awkwardly sit on your bed or something like that. It just makes the studio apartment much, much more adaptable. All the kitchens in these units at Ovation are really nice. The appliances are stainless steel, really classy looking. They've got plenty of counter space even in a small one like this. Deep sink, nice range, and man, the fridges again. Oh, and it's stocked. Oh, that's better. All right, let's go back to the Pocket Studio. I want to put it into closet mode so we can check out some of the storage in there. So inside here, you've got plenty of room for hanging storage. You've got a little shelf down here that serves as your nightstand when the bed is out. You can see it has integrated power as well, so you can charge your phone. And the lighting also gives you some nice soft lighting for when you're getting dressed. A lot of people will hang a mirror here instead of the picture like they have here, so you can use it as like a walk-in closet. All right, we have one more unit to look at, and that is the other expandable studio, this one with the pocket closet. That's actually over in the East Tower, so we're gonna have to go to the other building. I'll see you over there. All right, the final unit for us to look at is the expandable studio with the pocket closet. This time we're in the East Tower. Another one that has this large entryway right when you walk in. So you've got space, you can put like a little credenza or something there. And then the bathroom is right when you walk in. This bathroom is a little bit different. It's very spacious, but it doesn't have a tub, but you do have a very nice looking shower with a glass door. And then you've got your washer dryer right behind the door too, same ones as the other units. Coming out of the bathroom on the left, you have a huge double sliding door closet. Really big. It's kind of got like one shallow side and one deep side, but you can definitely get a lot of storage in there. And then the way we have it staged here is the bedroom area on the right, separated by the pocket closet, and then your living area beyond that. So while your bed isn't really hiding away, it does separate the space enough to give you a bit more feeling of privacy so that you can have people over here, you can sit over here, you don't feel like you're staring at your laundry from the bed, something like that. It just breaks up the room a little bit, makes it flow a little better. Opposite the pocket closet is the kitchen. Same features as the others, really, really nice. And let's open up this pocket closet and see what we got inside. And give us a huge amount of storage. So when we walk in, you can see you've got hanging space with some pull-out hangers, the slanted shelves for your shoes, and then some tall storage where you can put your suitcase and things like that. Then we've also got a mirror staged here behind me, which makes it really nice for getting dressed. And we can close it back up and then reclaim the space in our living room area, which is quite spacious as well. The living room has a little alcove area here too. Be fun to put like a dresser or something there. A nice sofa, and the really, really nice windows that all these units have. Now, something else that's great about the pocket closet is it also includes a little bit of a desk space too. So this can be your work from home space. This is actually what I work from when I work from home. I have a pocket closet in my apartment. So I have my laptop and my keyboard here, and then I can kind of just shove everything in there and close it up at the end of the day. Mine is probably not the most organized desk you've ever seen in your life, but it works for me.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel, go ahead and hit subscribe below this video and ring the bell to be notified about future videos. We're doing tours like this all over the country, plus interviews with residents, interviews with our team members and leadership, and some behind the scenes looks at how we create expandable spaces. So go ahead and subscribe. I don't think you'll regret it.
So on the 31st floor of the West Tower at Ovation is the amenities deck, and I gotta say, it might be my favorite amenity deck I've seen at any Ori building. Just look at that. So you've got a pool table out here, a bunch of big screen TVs, you've got dishwashers and fridge and a wet bar so you can have some friends over here. But I mean, the views are just absolutely insane. You can see all around Seattle. It's really, really beautiful. The mountain range off in the distance. It's just so cool up here. Here in the resident lounge, there is a big screen TV with some cool, comfy looking couches for snuggling up and watching a movie. And then they've also got a few video game systems, like a Pong thing and a Pac-Man thing over there. And it continues to wrap around the whole building. We have another lounge over here, another bar, another TV watching area, and more insane views of the city and mountains. All right, let's check out this pool deck. I don't know how often you really get pool weather in Seattle, but on days like today, this is pretty perfect. And you can see a lot of people are out here enjoying it because it is super, super nice out. The gym at Ovation is absolutely insane. I mean, this is like nicer than any gym you'd normally pay a membership for. There are countless treadmills and cardio machines, stationary bikes, stair climbers. There's an area for free weights and yoga. You've got fan bikes, you've got ellipticals, you've got squat racks. I mean, there's a boxing simulator over here. It's very, very impressive. And if this gym doesn't fit your needs for fitness, you've got to be some sort of specialized professional athlete or something. I don't know. Ovation is a pet-friendly building, but you wouldn't want your dog getting jealous of all the cool amenities that you get, so they get their own pet lounge. That's right. It's not just a pet spa, they have a pet lounge. So here it's got a water tray, little TV center, place to hang out with your dog, and then you've got the pet deck outside. So maybe on one of these rare days currently when the weather isn't so nice in Seattle, and you don't feel like taking your dog on a walk, but you need to get them out to go to the bathroom, you've got the little AstroTurf lawn here where they can use the restroom and you're not out late or out in the rain or what have you. Now, not only do we have the pet lounge, not only do they have the pet deck, there's also a pet spa down on the first floor. So let's go look at that. Here we go, pet spa. Let's see how much nicer it gets for old Fido. It's a big one. It's got 2 of the washing stations here and a brush. I guess you gotta bring your own hairdryer for this one. But it also has the drain on the floor, which is nice. If you've got a big dog who's not getting on that table, you can just rinse them off on the grounds. Now, the building also has bike storage with bike racks, but my key fob won't let me in there, so at least you know it's really secure. No one's gonna mess with your bike.
So, let's talk some numbers. And this time, this segment's gonna be a little bit more complicated since we have 3 different unit types that we're dealing with. The average rent right now in Seattle, Washington is $2,233 according to Rent Cafe. The expandable studios with the pocket closet here at Ovation start at $2,095. The expandable studios with the pocket studio start at $2,167. So both of those options get you below the average rent for the city. The expandable 1-bedrooms with the pocket office start at $2,844. It has a walk score of 97 and a perfect transit score coming in at 100. And it also has a 76 bike score. I think the only thing probably keeping it back on biking is the hills. So you really can't beat the location, you can't beat the amenities, and this is brand new construction in these beautiful units. So if you're looking to make a move to a highly amenitized building in the heart of Seattle, Ovation is a great, great option for you.
I actually met one of the new residents here on Instagram because he posted some videos of his new expandable one-bedroom with a pocket office, and he agreed to talk to us and show us his apartment. So let's go meet him and see his new place. Hey, Angel.
Hello.
Hey, Andrew. Nice to meet you. Thanks for having us in.
Yeah, welcome.
And who's this?
This is Elaine.
Wow, I love your place. This is
Thank
amazing.
you.
So pretty. And you guys have such a great view.
Yeah, and this is Garrett.
Hey, Gary. Andrew, nice to meet you. Thanks for letting me come in and check out your place. And you've been here how long?
For 2 weeks now.
2 weeks. Wow. That's amazing. Where'd you move from before?
We came from Sacramento, California.
Oh, nice. All right. Yeah. What brought you to Seattle?
Mostly the weather, to be honest. I mean, you guys are having a little bit of a hot
wave.
summer this time.
Can I look around? You
Yeah,
show
of
me
course.
this? Love your kitchen.
Just here's our kitchen.
Yeah.
I work at Starbucks, so I have like
Nice.
Starbucks cups everywhere.
Okay. I'm assuming if you're growing your own vegetables and stuff, you guys must cook pretty well, or cook a lot.
I would say, yeah, I
Yeah.
definitely cook a lot.
Yeah.
The stove is clean, so.
It takes a good food town too. Seattle's got great restaurants.
Yeah.
I know, we've been loving a lot of the restaurants here.
What is this coffee table? I love that.
That's his baby.
Oh, it's beautiful.
That was like the first thing I wanted when I started actually like making adult money. I really wanted a nice coffee table.
Oh, wow. Oh, this chair's great too. Oh, an interesting monitor setup.
Yeah, so I actually had to do it like this because I have an ergonomic like stand where I can kind of pull it and rotate it like how I please. Like it can even go vertically.
Man, that's really cool.
I just graduated from Sac State, so I'm in interior architecture. So
Congratulations.
thank you.
Yeah.
So I have an ergonomic mouse because I spend a lot of the time on the computer, just like doing digital stuff and 3D modeling.
Yeah.
Is our living? Are we in
And your bedroom
over
too?
there?
Yeah.
Of course.
I love these corner windows in those bedrooms. Those are super cool, yeah. Beautiful. Is this a queen bed?
Yes.
Yes.
Plenty of space.
Plenty of space.
And the views obviously are insane here.
Obviously. So one of the reasons why we kind of chose this style of layout as well with the pocket office,
Yeah.
was just because of the windows.
Right. Wow. Well, this is beautiful. Really cool. Thanks for letting me look around.
Well, that's going to do it for me from Seattle. Thanks again for watching this episode of Expanded. Don't forget to check the link in the description of this video for more information about leasing at Ovation, and subscribe to our channel for future videos. Once again, I'm Andrew from Ori, and I'll see you next time.